How many unit cubes were removed from the solid on the left to obtain the solid on the right? Solid on the left to solid on the right. Solid on the left is a 3 by 3. 3 by 3 by 3. There are 27 in this cube. If you can find how many cubes are there sitting here, then we are through. Then we can easily say, okay, this many, how many have been removed. And so think about this one. This does not even have the third layer. And so I'm going to count surface by surface, layer by layer. The bottom layer has a 3 by 2, 6 cells. The next layer on top has 2 cubes. The one on top has 1. Bottom layer has 6. The one on top, this layer has 2. The topmost has 1. 6 plus 2 plus 1. 9 cubes remain. There are 27 to start with. 9 remain, or we have removed 18 cubes. 18 cubes were removed from the solid on the left to obtain the solid on the right.